Good morning guys, in front of me is Google Pixel Fold and let me show you how to use secret codes on your device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer and enter a keypad if it's not active. So just click here to enroll, and this is the area in which you can enter every code that you need. And let me show you some of them. The first one, the shortest one, is *#06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with device information. So smoothly by entering this code, you can see IMEI number, serial number, and so on. Tap on OK to exit. This is all for the first code. Another one that you can use here is *##, *##, 225, ***. And here you've got your calendar info, so smoothly by entering this code, you can see all upcoming events that you have. Let me go back. And another code that can be used here is *##, 426, ***. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can see events and status. Whenever you want to get a bit more knowledge, tap on more icon and click on advanced view. As you can see now, you've got a bit more details. So that's it, that will be all. And actually these are all codes I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.